What's going on YouTube? It's Got the Night here coming at you with yet another video, and today's video is just to let you guys know CES starts tomorrow and goes till Friday the 11th. So it's 5 packed days of tech. It's one of the biggest conferences of the year. There's so much speculation right now with Intel, AMD, and Nvidia. There's many rumors, which I will link all my videos to some of those rumors down in the description or put them up above my head to make sure you guys check those out. Make sure you look at those, watch them all the way, give them a like if you like them as well. But just to see, compare them to my videos that are going to be coming out this whole week to see if I was right or if the leaks were right in a lot of those videos as well. So make sure you stay tuned because this next week you're probably going to get quite a few videos from me. So make sure you turn that notification bell on, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you like my content, please make sure to check out the links down below to help support the channel grow.